Hello friends and welcome to my channel again. We are almost done with the prompt list because we are on day number 23. And for today, we need to be working on flower and paper doll. So the animal for today is the monkey. And look at how cute is this little hanging guy over here that I'm gonna try to place in this composition. So the things that I'm gonna be using are these elements here. I wanted a lot of moths around today because this lady has an amazing hair, and actually this came from a brochure I thought is really nice for this project. So the hand is coming out from the body. In here you can see she's just having an apple. So I really love the concept, but I want to have it for a paper doll. And so the idea I'm going to develop is the following idea. So I coffee dyed these two paper doilies here. They are beautiful and gold, but I'm going to use the back side of them. So first thing I'm going to be doing is gluing the doilies on the main substrate, that is this amazing advertising. So and I mark here, I don't know if you can see there, this is the shape of the shoulder here. So I need to cut this so my paper doily is gonna fit right onto the paper doll's shoulder. So I just run it like that so you can see the shape here, and it's going to go straight down here so we can have the doily just coming out from the shoulder, and you can see how this integrates into the same picture with the doll. So the other idea I had was like hanging the monkey from the hair. So probably there in that curl, my monkey can go like swinging like back and forth, or hanging it from another doily here. So what I'm trying to imagine is that probably I need to have a second doily there, and I have this nice collage I made a couple of weeks ago. My dauber, I did all this green, so this is gonna be matching with the leaves over here. So what I'm thinking is placing that in here so we can cover these little letters there, so it can go there. So the composition will be like so, or just go ahead and cover the whole back with that and then apply this. I think that looks a lot better, or probably this collage can coming out from behind or from here. I think in here, and that's going to go there. So let's try to do this because I really want to cover the whole letters that came with the page from the brochure. So it's okay to have them all covered. And actually the background is super nice. It has like tiny polka dots there in a really beige that matches with the coffee color in here. I can always trim that or fold that, but as I'm gonna glue this on a card, so I just want to cut that, and probably I'm using those parts. Here I'm sure that I want this here, so now I'm placing the glue there and glue over here. Although sometimes I like it to be like moving up and down so we can have some cards or things sticking in there. So like what about having that coming out from here? That is a good idea also, but I would like to fold the doily so we can have it probably like that, and I like it more. So yes, I'm gonna do it like that. So the gold is like coming out from this part there, which I think is really pretty. So, and it's gonna be matching with this yellow I have around here. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm coming back. So now I have this guy. I think it's nice, like having him coming from one of the curls of the lady of the paper doll. So I'm going just to have glue on my monkey and here, so it's gonna be like more even and nice, because this has like a tiny narrow places, so I want the glue to go all the way in. Actually, I need something in the back so I can press this a tiny bit. Okay, awesome. I still need a tiny bit of glue in here. And tell me in the comments, write to me, what do you think about this Dephemberember? Are you following the whole 25 days? You stop at some point? Are you stressed with the project, or you're following and you are getting inspiration for all these days? We have been doing this prompt list. So let me know down in the comments, or if you weren't able to do it this year, but you are motivated to start doing it for next year. I would like to know your opinion. What is the decision you have if you're gonna start Dephemberember 2023? I hope we are around so we can share again all these amazing projects. And the original idea came from 49 Dragonflies, and that's a YouTube channel that belongs to Barbara. She's in Vienna, Austria, and also her friend Louise Hansel. So I think it's a wonderful idea, and I'm been having fun. I'm really in love with this project. So, and as you can see, you can create anything. Doesn't need to be perfect, but I'm sure that you're always gonna have something nice to show, and the product is gonna be always nice, because creativity never fails. You always have something nice. Even if you think that you're not able to do it, you always are going to come out with something really cute, really nice. So my moths are all over the place now, and let me show them to you. I think this is completely amazing. It's just the way I thought it was going to be. So the only thing I need now is to add a little bit of glue in this tiny parts here. I don't want this like being popping up, or you know, coming out from the paper. So always you can just go and make sure that everything is okay, and once you finish, you can always place this inside the book. So I have these two tiny pieces here. I have this piece of doily that I recently cut, and also I have this tiny piece. I was thinking like making the paper doll a collar for her neck, or probably something in here for his wrist. So let me try and see if I can do something. You can't actually see the hand coming out, but you know that the wrist is there. So I try to do this ruffle, and I'm going to place it there. I guess you can see the effect. It's like having a dress. I cut this curve, and it needs to be kind of more pronunciated, so I'm going to go like that and place some glue. This is really fun. That was always fun to play with paper dolls. So I don't know if you know them, but I really played with paper dolls when I was a child, and I still remember, and I love it. All right, so we have that coming out from the sleeve of the lady. So that's gonna be like that. Monkey is really having fun and really cute, and all the moths are like everywhere. Also, I have the another piece here, and I'm gonna probably add it here. I don't want to miss this, or I can probably have it in the back of a moth. I didn't thought about that before, so I'm just gonna place it here like a double ruffle there. I don't want to miss this nice piece of gold coffee dye doily. So let me just place some glue in here, and I am ready to place it. Wow, what a fun project. I am really in love with every ephemera, with everyday prompt and project and results, because everything is so different. You can go and check here in my channel all the prompts we have. There are already 23 prompts and ideas for ephemera. So this is the final result. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I think that is so perfect and so nice that it doesn't need anything else. So, and now the most amazing and exciting part is checking day 23 for flower and paper doll. We are here, and so check. We finished for day 23 in this Dephemberember 2022, and that's the final project. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get some inspiration and do it yourself. Remember to subscribe and leave me a comment. I will love to read you. So I see you next time. Bye, friends. Bye-bye. Bye, friends.